Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet to Cpen Network, only ways. Open Trust Wallet, unlock with your passcode, and confirm your backup phrase is stored safely offline. Next, tap Settings, choose Wallets, select the wallet you want, and use the toggle to enable smart chain-like networks if needed. I'll walk you through adding the custom RPC, saving the network, and verifying token visibility step by step. Before adding a network, double-check your backup phrase and ensure your device is secure and updated. Open Trust Wallet and confirm you can access the wallet where you want Cpen Network tokens to appear. Locate the Cpen Network RPC details such as network name, RPC URL, chain ID, symbol, and block explorer URL. Keep these details copied somewhere safe so you can paste them accurately when creating the custom network entry. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear crypto guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it feel like a tidy assistant while you manage wallets, and it even catches crumbs from late-night token research. It's a neat little time saver that keeps your desk tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To add Cpen Network, go to Settings, tap Networks, and select Add Custom Network or similar option. Carefully paste the RPC URL, enter the chain ID exactly, set the network symbol, and add the block explorer URL if available. Save the network and return to your wallet view, toggling the new network on for the wallet you selected. Finally, add the token contract address so your balances show correctly and transactions can be sent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.